morning, guys. How are you all doing? It has not been easy. Yesterday, is it that time? Was it like this time? Yeah, I think it was around this time. I started feeling. Is it Jasmine? Yeah. Oh, okay, Basmati. Yay.
Arnold.
Julie.
Corner.
And the water two.
Wow, these are big size of water.
Two.
And
Two.
the egg.
Also, another two.
Two.
Two. Wow. Hey, come on, dash it with me.
Oh.
Yeah, I did like
Oh.
60 eggs.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh,
But
okay.
the one you did is $13.
Oh, my turn.
Yeah.
Yeah, wow. My love. You are doing unboxing.
Remove that.
You are showing Daddy. You went to the store with Daddy or what? You are doing like
Remove this. Come, remove this.
You didn't go with Daddy, but you are doing like you went to the store
Remove
with
that.
Daddy.
Remove.
Do unboxing.
Remove that.
Kanya. Two.
Kanya. So what is Kanya?
Kanya and Pepe. Wow. Then these eggs, I think we will stick to that.
Yeah, if you keep coming.
Yeah. 60 eggs.
Put it out.
Whoa, that's banana. What? Banana, plantain. Plantain.
No.
This is cheese and what? Spring onion. Yeah, how we want to do jollof or fried rice? So spring onion and cheese.
What is this?
And tanyai plantain. What's it, boy? Kanya, plantain. And that one is banana. Yeah, but look.
Kanya.
So this is banana.
Ooh.
Ooh.
Wow.
Yeah.
Ah.
Wow. Tortilla. For
Wow.
some more, what is it called?
Wow.
Shawarma wrap or tortilla over.
Wow.
Yeah, beans. Daddy got beans. Daddy got peanuts for the banana. Whoa.
What?
Tea. So we stick to this tea, guys. So far, so good. Hot chocolate is very good. Dana. Oh. So two of this. Two. Yeah.
Gajo. Kanya. Gajo. Romeo. Kanya.
Thank you. Cups.
Gajo. Kanya.
More plantain.
Kanya.
Ziploc bags.
Kanya.
Salt. Now, baby boy is also busy mentioning the things. Kanya.
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 Gajo.
Tea beans.
Kanya. Gajo.
Salt and mackerel. Pizza. Chicken pizza.
Kanya.
And this is chicken drumstick.
Kanya.
And shrimp.
Gajo.
And baby diaper, guys. This diaper is very good. It's 80 diapers.
Bring the plantain. Yeah.
Paper towel.
Yeah, let me put it.
And
Let me put
this
it.
water.
Yeah, give it to me so that I'll put it.
And basmati. Be packing it to Daddy. See.
Like
See.
this. Yeah. Okay. We are putting it here. This is how it's supposed to be.
Where do you want it to be, Kelly?
Okay, put it on top here. Put everything. Pack them here.
I don't know. Good boy. Wahala. Let's leave him alone. You go to Walmart, you end up buying things extra. I think Walmart, am I a juju? Because you can't go to Walmart without.
Went to buy, get diaper and this.
Yeah, we probably ended up spending this. But all these are also needed because diaper, no, we don't have rice and we don't have eggs. I like the eggs, 60 pieces, it will last.
Yeah, oh no, but. Oh no, but. The eggs last in this house.
Oh my God. Caleb, is it true? Daddy said we yeah, 1 year to 20 years. Oh, they're quite. Hey! I'll be find the diaper.
Take a diaper, take it inside.
Obiane it, nay.
Take it, don't put it inside the closet. Inside the room. Take your diaper.
Is that your diaper? Plenty diapers. Right? So far, this brand, it has grown with Calipo. So he ate plenty blueberries and he really ate plenty blueberries and then puree.
high.